Hello. Our planet Earth is an amazing place full of wonderful things that help us live and grow. These things come directly from nature, and we use them every day. They are called natural resources. Think of them as Earth's special gifts to us. Today we're going to explore what these treasures are and why they're so important. So what exactly are natural resources? They're materials or substances that we find in nature, not made by people, that we use to survive and make our lives better. This includes things like the air we breathe, the water we drink, the plants we eat, and even the materials we use to build our homes. Some of Earth's treasures can be replaced by nature fairly quickly. We call these renewable resources. It's like they can renew themselves. Let's look at some of these. First off, sunlight. The sun gives us light to see and warmth to keep us cozy. We can also use energy to make electricity. The sun will keep shining for a very, very long time. Fresh water. We need water to drink, to grow our food, to clean, and for animals and plants to live. Water goes through a cycle. It rains, flows into rivers and lakes, evaporates in the air, and rains again. Air. We need air to breathe, and the wind, which is moving air, can be used to make energy with windmills or wind turbines. Plants and trees. Plants give us food to eat and wood to build things. Trees also clean our air by producing the oxygen we need to breathe. We can plant new trees to replace the ones we use. Soil. This is the top layer of the solid earth where plants grow. Good, healthy soil is essential for growing the food we eat. Nature can make new soil, but it takes a long time. Animals. Animals can be a source of food, and some help us with work or provide materials like wool. Renewable resources are wonderful because if we're careful, nature can keep providing them for us. Other natural resources take a super long time to form, in fact, millions of years. Once we use them up, they're gone for a very long time or even forever in terms of our lifetime. These are called non-renewable resources. First up, fossil fuels, which include coal, oil, and natural gas. These are a major source of energy for our cars, homes, and factories. They're formed from tiny plants and animals that lived millions of years ago, got buried, and slowly changed into these fuels. Because they take so long to make, we can run out of them if we use them too quickly. Minerals, which are metals and other things. These are solid natural materials found in the ground that were never alive. Metals like iron, copper, aluminum are all very useful. Other minerals include things like salt, diamonds, and sand and gravel. Once we mine these minerals and use them up, they do not grow back. We need to be extra careful with non-renewable resources because there's a limited supply. Natural resources help us survive, keep us comfortable, and allow us to make all the things we need and use. Some of these resources are so important and some can run out. We all need to be Earth heroes and take care of them. This is called conservation, which means using resources wisely and not wasting them. Here are some simple things you can do. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Use less stuff, find new ways to use old things, and recycle materials like paper, plastic, glass, and metal so they can be made into new things. Save water. Turn off the tap when you brush your teeth or wash your hands, and take shorter showers. Save electricity. Turn off lights, TVs, and computers when you're not using them. Plant trees because trees are amazing renewable resources. Don't litter. keep our land and water clean so plants and animals can thrive. Walk or bike. For shorter trips, walking or biking instead of riding in a car saves fuel. Our Earth gives us so many amazing natural treasures, from the air we breathe to the sunlight that warms us to the materials that build our world. It's our job to use these gifts wisely, to protect them, and to make sure there are plenty for everyone now and for many, many years to come. Let's all be good stewards of our amazing planet. Thank you for watching.